sometimes in Red Dead Redemption 2, the world ain't just about shootouts and bank robberies. Sometimes, you stumble upon a place that gives you a bad feeling the moment you set foot inside. And that's exactly what happened to me at the Aberdeen Pig Farm.
Don't be shy, partner.
I was just minding my own business, looking for a place to rest when I came across this small, rundown farm. A friendly-looking man and his sister welcomed me in, or at least, that's what I thought.
Well, ain't this a rare treat? Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming? I'd have fixed myself up nice.
Oh, now you know you look perfect, princess.
Now, when a stranger tells you to make yourself at home in a place like this, you should probably start thinking twice. But hey, I was curious, and a little greedy. They offered me a drink and, well, who am I to say no?
Yourself at home. Oh, hey!
Hey!
Ain't this just about perfect? One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Now look at us, like a couple of old friends. It's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixins. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. Food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different. That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids.
Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
We still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
At first, everything seemed fine. Maybe a little too fine. The brother and sister were too welcoming, their hospitality almost too perfect. But there was something in the air that didn't sit right. I couldn't put my finger on it at first, but then I noticed the way they looked at each other. That was when I realized the truth. The brother and sister weren't just blood relatives. They had something much darker going on. It's the kind of secret you don't talk about. The kind of thing you just feel in your bones. And I couldn't unsee it after that.
Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
After that, I needed something to take the edge off. I couldn't shake the feeling that something wasn't right, and what better way to try to forget than with a good drink? It wasn't my first time downing a shot to calm my nerves, but this one felt different.
That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more.
I tried to shrug it off. Maybe it's just me, I thought. But as I took that drink, I couldn't help but wonder, was it really just a drink? Or was it part of their plan all along?
What the hell?
I should have known better. A drink that smooth in a place like this
Take whatever cash you had.
should have been a damn red flag. But I wasn't thinking straight, and that's when the poison started kicking in. Next thing I know, I'm waking up in a ditch, broke, dizzy, and realizing I just got played hard. Those so-called friendly folks took every dollar I had on me. And let me tell you something, Arthur Morgan doesn't let that slide. I had two choices: walk away and accept my losses, or go back and make sure those two never do this to anyone else again. And well, you already know what I chose. Justice in the Old West doesn't always come from the law. Sometimes, it comes from the barrel of a gun. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Red Dead Redemption 2 adventures. Until next time, ride safe out there.